Hi, today we'll be taking a tour of Clemson University through the eyes of a biologist. Your tour guide today will be Angel.
Kelly. And Ivana.
Come with us. Okay, so right now we're leaving Long Hall, which is the biology department in Clemson University, on the way to the park.
On our way out, we literally found fungus. Alright guys, so right here we have found an example of a lichen, which is a symbiotic relationship between a algae and a ascomycete, which is a type of fungus.
All right, guys, if you look really closely, here's the fruiting body of a plant in the Conifera phylum, in which this is how they spread their spores.
Okay guys, so as you can see, we have plenty of birds that they are in the kingdom Animalia, and they are also vertebrates.
Hi guys, so right here we have a example of a plant. This would be under the Planta kingdom. It would most likely fall under the Gymnosperm phylum, seeing as it has no flowers, but can definitely fall under a group that has vascular tissue, as we can see its leaves and all of its big roots and stuff like that. You ready? Hi guys, this is a monumental moment. Right now we have a squirrel in its natural habitat. This is a part of the Animalia kingdom. He falls under the vertebrate category and is actually a pretty similar organism to us ourselves. He is eating a nut, which is how he gets his energy, and he is going to digest that and run around using all of that acorn energy.
Hey guys, as you can see, we have a dandelion here, and you can see that these are the spores, and you can actually, if you look closely, see the ovary. And so this is an example of sporophytes and how they make the spores, and this is also an example of wind dispersal.
All right, hey guys, we just came across these ants, and they are animals that live underground, and if you look real closely, you can see them burying holes underneath the ground, and they're in the kingdom Animalia and in the phylum Arthropoda.
Hi guys, so over here we have a plant, a part of the Plantae kingdom, and the Angiosperm phylum. You can see that this is a flowering plant. The flower itself is a part of the second part of the life cycle of the Angiosperm plant, and is part of the sexual reproductive structure. So what's going on is that the different parts of the flower will fertilize one another and create these beautiful flowers we have here, using parts of the plant such as the carpel and the anther to reproduce using ovaries, ovules, and sperm.
Guys, we are coming upon an incredible discovery, a rock. As you can see, this is part of the abiotic organism in our environment here at Clemson. You can find these everywhere, even right outside Death Valley. But this is also a perfect place for lichen to grow and a symbiotic relationship to take place.
Alright guys, right here we have some autotrophs. They are in the kingdom Plantae, and they're autotrophs because they're able to make their own energy through photosynthesis through the chlorophyll in their little green leaves.
Alright, hi guys, we have an incredible display of nature up here. That is an example of a nest where birds can keep their little babies safe from all of the horrible things that happen in this environment. And this is where they lay their eggs, and then over time they can hatch into full-grown birds that will one day fly off just like their mom and dad did. So this is an incredible display here of organisms and life at Clemson University. Hi guys, as you can see here, we gotta get down and dirty to see this guy, but this right here is a worm. He's also a part of the Animalia kingdom, but this guy unfortunately is an invertebrate. He does not have much to do here, but he is a annelidid, meaning he is a segmented worm, and we see him all the time. Sometimes we step on him, but he's a really, really important part of a primary consumer and also a prey for our other birds around here.
Alright guys, if you look really closely here, we have found a gametophyte. Gametophytes produce the gametes that make the sporophytes, which is this flower right here. And without them, we wouldn't have these beautiful plants.
Hi guys, so this is a part of our fun fact. So what we have over here are these green, seemingly inconspicuous leaves growing on our tree. Problem is that this is an invasive species. So this is called kudzu and originates in Asia. The problem is that it's taking over the environment of a lot of our other native species here in South Carolina and all along the east coast of America. So make sure if you see a kudzu, rip it out.
Alright guys, if you look closely here, we have found some moss. It's in the kingdom Planta, and it's a bryophyte. It is also known to have cell walls, which is what makes it a plant.
Okay, hey guys, as you can see, we have this beautiful flower here, and it's part of the kingdom Planta and the phylum Angiosperm. And this is the fruiting body of sporophyte tissue, as you can see. And if you look closely in here, you can even see the carpel. Hey guys, we've come upon even more flowers. These are in the kingdom Planta, and they are in the phylum Angiosperm. And as you can see, they are a bright, lovely crimson orange, which means that it will attract more pollinators to come and pollinate.
All right, guys, do y'all have any questions so far on this tour? No? All right, perfect. We're going to go take a break at Schletter.
Guys, we are here at Schletter. It would not be a true tour without coming to a food court at Clemson. Let's see if we can find any biology in here.
Hi y'all, we have some crazy biology going down at Schletter today. So as you can see here, we have an orange, a pretty good snack if I do say so myself. The thing about this orange is that this is a part of the fruiting body of a angiosperm. So it's going to create these fruit on the orange tree, except do you see how many little pieces of orange there are? These are a part of the carpels of the orange. So due to the fact that the plant that this came from was a eudicot, this orange has a ton of little clementines inside of it. So it's going to have more than 3, making it a eudicot. Now, if we take a look at this banana, this comes from a monocot. So a angiosperm that only has 3 types of carpels. So this one, if you can see, every banana, if you put your finger in it, is going to split into 3 equal pieces, because that's 3 parts of the actual ovary of the plant. So yeah, next time you're getting a fruit, have a nice ovary.
All right, coming up, guys, we have a heterotroph in the wild. As you can see, she is eating a cookie. And now, what makes her a heterotroph is that she cannot make